Hi teachers, parents, and fellow educators. Welcome back to our channel, Your Guidance Counselor. I am Ma'am Tere, and today I'll be sharing 10 first day of school activities that will make your students feel safe, happy, and ready to learn. Alam naman natin ang first day of school can be exciting and at the same time, nakaka-nervyos din ito para sa mga bata. So we want to help them feel that they belong and ready to learn. So let's start! First impressions really matter, right? So, we start with the welcome table right at the door. So, yun ang una nating activity, welcome table. Mag-set up tayo ng small table with name tags, coloring sheets, and crayons. So, habang dumarating pa lang mga bata, they can sit down and they can color. So, relaxing na agad. Kasi minsan yung ibang bata medyo shy sa simula. So, by giving them something simple to do, they feel safe and hindi sila pressured na makipag-socialize agad. So, para lang silang nasa bahay while waiting. Plus, habang nagko-color sila, we as teachers can also roam around, greet them, and start building rapport. Alright, so for activity 2, this is all about me sharing. So after settling down, we can move actually to this activity. So this is just a simple activity like they are just going to give their names, their age, and one fun fact. Okay, like for example, I am Tere, I am 40 years old and I love to dance. So, ganun lang. But with every child who shares, nababawasan ang kaba ng susunod, kapag kasi nakikita nila na, okay lang pala. So, kung may mga batang nahihiya, pwede rin natin silang tulungan. So, maybe whisper the answers muna, then say it together. So, actually, it's very important na we create an atmosphere where it's okay to share and okay din kung medyo shy pa sila. And for activity 3, this is entitled Name Ball Toss. Okay? So we can break the ice with this activity actually. Ito yung fun part wherein may softball tayo and we toss it randomly. So, like for example, you say catch the ball, you say your name, and share something fun about yourself. So, minsan nakakatuwa lang kasi may mga bata na sobrang nagiging creative. Now, this simple game actually combines movement and fun and helps us all remember each other's name. So, bonus na rin kasi natututo silang makinig sa isa't isa. Now, for activity 4, this is entitled Classroom Tour. Siyempre, importante na maging familiar sila sa bagong environment. Kaya we give them a classroom tour. So, papakita lang naman natin kung saan ilalagay yung bag, saan kukunin ng materials, saan ang bathroom. So, it's very practical and very super helpful. So, minsan yung mga mamaliit na bagay na ito ang nagiging source ng anxiety ng mga bata. So, where am I going to put my lunchbox? Saan ako kukuha ng papel? But after the tour, makikita mo na mas relax na sila. And for activity 5, this is entitled Class Contract. So, we set up, of course, our early expectations, we set our expectations early by class contract. So, i-present natin yung classroom rules, pero hindi lang tayo ang magde-decide. So, we ask our class, ano sa tingin nyo ang kailangan natin para maging masaya at safe ang ating classroom? Okay, so when our students help create the rules, parang mas nagiging responsible also sila to follow these rules. And it's not just your rules, it's actually your rules, it's our rules. Now, for activity 6, this is entitled Find Someone Who or bingo, okay? So, we just give them cards. It's a very simple game. We give them card and mayroon lang na mga prompt yung card na yun. I think this is also very common, like find someone who has a dog, find someone who likes spaghetti. So, habang naglalakad sila sa loob ng classroom, nag-room around sila, gahanap sila ng classmates. So, hindi nila namamalayan actually that they are already starting to build friendships. So, and if may mga bata na medyo shy, you can gently assist them para makausap din nila ang iba. So, ang lagi nating goal dapat is walang maiiwan. Okay? And for activity 7 is entitled Partner Interviews. So, this one can definitely help our students build their confidence because they are going to find partner. They are going to pair up with someone and give a few questions like, what do you like to do after school? What's your favorite movie? They have pets. So after the interview, ipapakilala nila ang partner nila sa class. And this actually teaches listening also, develop listening skills and comprehension. Likewise, public speaking din, pero in a safe, say in a safe way and less threatening way. And as a guidance counselor, I really love this activity kasi nakikita mo agad yung communication styles nila and you can already observe who may need more support socially. And sa activity 8, this is entitled self-portrait drawing. So this is a time to be creative with this is their time to be creative because you're just going to provide them paper, crayons, and markers and let them draw themselves. So ang say nito kasi makikita natin kung paano nila nakikita ang sarili nila. So meron pang iba na dinodrawing kahit na favorite stuff toy nila. Then afterwards, i-display lang natin ito sa isang bulletin board and instant decoration na ito sa classroom niyo at nakaka-boost din ito ng sense of belonging. So this is actually a very nice activity. And for activity 9, is entitled Read Aloud Story Time. So this this is a very simple activity lang naman, like you're just going to choose books about first day feelings like the kissing hand or the first day jitters. Now, while reading, you can pause and ask, who here felt nervous kaninang morning? Okay, who was excited? And this allows definitely kids to see na normal lang ang lahat ng emotions pala na nararamdaman nila. This is actually very helpful because it builds emotional awareness at mas nagiging open sila to share also their feelings. And finally, for our activity 10, this is entitled Feelings Chart Check-in. Okay, so gagawa lang tayo ng simple chart with different emotions like happy, excited, nervous, unsure. So each student can actually pick a sticker, a color, or an emoji na mag-represent how they felt sa first day nila. So kahit simpleng activity, this helps children reflect on their emotions. Now, as a guidance counselor, this is one of my favorite practices kasi natututo silang i-identify at express ang feelings nila. So there you have it. So ito yung 10 simple but meaningful activities para gawing safe, warm, at exciting ang first day ng mga bata. Now, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to your guidance counselor or for more classroom, parenting, and student well-being content. At kung may sarili kayong first day tips, i-share nyo lang po sa ating comment box and let's learn together. Good luck on your first day and always remember, we're not just teaching, but we're also guiding. Bye!